Yeah, I don't know what makes a video go viral. Sometimes it's simple, sometimes it's creative, but I've just got no control on what YouTube does. But yeah, anyway, this week I've been fishing quite a bit. I'm all covered up because I don't want to get sunburn. It's quite hot. So this week it has been a bit of a learning experience. I want to stick with jigging. I think jigging and lures are quite neat because they're just clean. Your hands are clean. You don't need to deal with smelly baits. It's more portable, so like as in, you know, you can just chuck a box of lures and your fishing rod in the back of the ute and just go anywhere and fish anywhere. So it's just more convenient rather than have smelly baits everywhere, or if it's frozen baits or it needs to be refrigerated, you know, just things like that. So I want to become an expert in using lures, fishing with lures. So this is how I get around, just using a motorbike. The lake from here is just only 5 minutes drive or ride. So what I normally do is I've got my fishing stuff here. I normally ride like that, yeah, and then yeah, that's how we get around. Most people just ride like this when they go fishing. Doesn't take long to get here. So we've got a few lakes around here. Last time I caught a fish, I caught it here, so I'm just going to try this spot first and then we'll move around. I got two fishing rods. My son is with me today. He's going to be my cameraman, or I'll be his cameraman, and we'll have two lures set up. So far we're catching nothing. Got a couple of fisher boys over there. They're also jigging. So this is quite a large lake. Should be something around here. Just they're not very interested in it today. So there's this place here which is quite clear water, even though it's been raining last night, and I thought surely there'll be fish hiding under these weeds. I did get one fish come up and try to attack my lure. So it came up, it made a boom sound, made a splash, but it didn't hook on. And then when I was still casting it out and winding it back in, just saw one fish come up, and I thought I was going to take it, but no. So I did find the right place for it. Just trying to figure out which jig works the best. There's a lot of weed around, so I think the frog one will be the best one because the hook doesn't get tangled up with the weeds. I've been using frog lately, and yesterday I brought this lure here, and it just swims like side to side like that. Now I've been casting this out, and there is fish going after this, but they're just so small. Alright, here it is, fish on. So this is the fish. As you can see, it's quite small. Just get it calmed down first. As you can see, it's quite small. I'm going to release this back because it is too small. I'm not going to get much meat out of it, but there are bigger ones than that. Hopefully there's bigger ones than that. Yeah, but that is pretty awesome. I'm happy with that because I never used to catch any fish around here. Now I'm starting to catch fish. So this is the lure here. Alright, that is it for this video. Thanks for joining me. I have learned a lot this week with fishing around here. It's been quite cool actually because I learned something new, and I'm sure it's going to get better from now on. So hopefully I can start catching bigger fish, more exciting fish, more exciting catch. So yeah, just hang around and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Bye.